Well, today is actually a Tuesday. It's a holiday. First of all, I'd like to say Happy Chinese New Year to all my Chinese friends. Hope you have a good day. Probably today, what we're gonna do is, since it's a holiday, I think we're gonna go take a passport photo of Sophie because it's been a while since she actually had one. And I guess we're going to Manggis, see Nenek Girl, Nenek Boy, Manggis. Well, it's a good day, but we'll see how it goes.
Salam kopi dan kulit panggang ditujukan untuk keluarga MNR di Tanah Jambu, juga untuk keluarga HAD di Tanjung Maya dan keluarga HMHP di Kampung Setia A. Dalam keadaan memandu, hati-hati selalu, jangan main handphone ketika memandu. Ingat orang yang tersayang. Pandu cermat jiwa selamat daripada rakan kita AD Pirit KFM. 1, 2. Thank you katanya. Thank you. The ice blender book. But seriously, the minifigs, they're a bit too pricey though. $9.90 can get you a lot of them, probably because they got it early. And then they sell it off while they still can at that price. So apparently Photo Plus is closed for the day, right Pete? Oh, I cannot take a photo today, and also the 6 and the 7. Guess we have to do it another day then, no? Sophie? Oh, Sophie, what are you gonna buy with that? What are you gonna buy with that $1? Oh. Oh, oh. Okay. 1, 2, 1. 5,
6, 7. Ooh.
Di bawah tu ada. Acu.
Here we go. Time to move. Away we go. Let's get moving.